Ready to dive into the world of online shopping and selling? Let's walk through the steps to create your very own eBay account on your PC. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in ebay.com. This will take you to eBay's official homepage. On the top left corner and homepage, you'll see the register link. Click on it and begin the account creation process. eBay offers two types of accounts: personal and business. For individual buying or selling, select personal account. If you're representing a company or plan to sell large volumes, choose business account. Fill in your first and last name, a valid email address, and create a secure password. Enter your password that is strong, combining the letters, numbers, and special characters. Review eBay's user agreement and privacy notice. Once you're comfortable, check the box and agree and click on Create Account. eBay will now request your contact details, including your address, phone number, and this information is essential for order deliveries and account verification. Check your email inbox for verification message from eBay. Click on the provided link to confirm your email address and activate your account. As I sign in from my own email address, I don't need to follow these steps, but if you need, you can do this. Congratulations! Your eBay account is now active. Explore a dashboard to manage purchases, track orders, and selling if you wish. Thank you for watching, and hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this.